My name is Aubrey Pedersen. I'm a self-defense specialist. I've been doing this for the past 35 years, and with intensive research, we've realized one thing, and that is that your attacker normally is going to be bigger and stronger than you, which means trying to use strength very often is not going to work. And we've had to look at how we get around that. Now, the research that we've done, besides having a background in martial arts for the past 40 years, the research that we've done is through working with victims of assaults. We've worked with women who've been attacked, who've been raped, and how they were able to successfully or unsuccessfully get out of the situation. And through looking at the ways that women were able to defend themselves, we have developed a process that you can use during self-defense that is going to assist you to very quickly stop the attacker who is bigger and stronger than you.